we are here with Kevin. He's got us out in Sharon, Connecticut today at 3 Rolling Hills Drive. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, Kev, you know the deal. Come on in. You're going to show us around.
Do it.
We're coming in. There's some big windows here with a lot of natural light.
Beautiful hardwood floors.
So let's go to that.
Sunroom. Best room in the house.
Yeah, I do like it out here. I could see sitting out here in the morning, drinking my coffee. That's if I drink coffee. It'd probably be a Diet Coke. Let's go to that dining room. Yep. Off the dining room, we have our first floor half bath.
We have multiple mini splits upstairs and downstairs, and then there is a propane powered generator.
Whole house generator. I love that. Yes.
We're going around the corner into the kitchen. We have black quartz countertops. Off the kitchen, there's a 2-car garage.
Another living area, and then take us upstairs. What do we got?
We got 3 bedrooms upstairs and the full bath.
The first bedroom on the right is our primary.
Yep, 2 closets.
That's one more than most bedrooms. All right, we're going back into the hall. We have our full bath up here and 2 more sizable bedrooms.
All hardwood upstairs as well.
All right, Sharon, this is a gem. Thank you for having us here. If you're looking for a private showing, hit Kevin up. His information's on the screen. If you're looking for some financing options, including maybe some time to own money, hit me up. I am here and available for you. Sharon, thanks for having us. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. We're out of here.